Hello, VLLA colleagues. You know the drill. Every year we get together to swap success stories, share platform pains, and wonder, how did we ever survive last year? At IDLA, we didn't just survive 24-25, we thrived. We streamlined programs, strengthened district relationships, launched smarter tools, and turned feedback into full-on functionality, all while staying true to our mission, supporting Idaho schools and students wherever learning happens. And because this is VLLA, we know that you want more than just a spreadsheet of stats. So let's hit play on a year that was flexible, forward-thinking, and a little bit of fun.
This year, IDLA took Launchpad to new heights, especially for our younger learners. Our elementary Launchpad program offers K-5 students the opportunity to meet them where they are, to increase their achievement and build their lifelong love of reading. Each learner gets targeted instruction tailored to their grade level and individual needs. Because for us, foundational doesn't mean basic, it means essential.
Artificial intelligence, buzzword or breakthrough? At IDLA, we choose breakthrough, definitely breakthrough. This year, we announced the IDLA Parent app. It's like a crystal ball for parents, but without the incense. You know what AI thinks is brilliant? Me. But besides me, the idea that we baked AI into the LMS with guardrails, privacy, and all sorts of functionality to engage students. But AI really just thinks I'm brilliant.
We just keep adding to our course catalog. We're adding more and more. We added 25 new revamped courses. We have 18 QM certified courses. We won an award and we survived. So clap.
Oh, hello there. Every year brings change. This year, new legislation kept dropping like weekly episodes. We translated the fine print into playbooks, fast. That way, classes kept rolling and staff weren't buried in policy. Oh, and over the summer, we moved facilities, desks, servers, a coffee machine, door to door without missing a beat. Funding updates handled, our teachers taught, our students learned, and our partners slept at night. Our approach this year? Move forward, one step at a time.
Virtual learning isn't just about technology, it's also about trust. This year we worked to strengthen partnerships across Idaho by building relationships, listening, and collaborating together.
This year, we pumped up the volume by doubling our team. Blog readership doubled and social media soared thanks to Danny. And our newsletter? More opens than a box of crumble cookies in the break room.
That's right, folks, but wait, there's still more. Over 20,000 students served. AI-enhanced planning tool launched. Course upgrades completed. Statewide partnerships grown.
Side effects may include increased student engagement, data envy from other states, LMS induced whiplash, and pride in being really, really good at digital learning.
Dream it, do it, IDLA, get you through it, every step of the way. Dream it, do it, IDLA, get you through it, every step of the way.
Good, yeah.
Is everybody getting work done around here? Is everybody, are you working over there? Okay,